I just discovered that journaling your trades is a cheat code. See, I just started journaling my trades and I've seen what I'm not getting correctly, and I've seen some things I'm really getting correctly, and now it gives me a good idea of what to work on. So now I have a full idea of what I need to work on next week just to improve my trading skills. Now, if this is your first time here, smash the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. So this is my trading account. This is the $10,000 trading account, and this is the trading overview. Let's start with the trading accounts. Okay, so this is the account overview. I've traded for only 3 trading days, and the account balance is $9,942.42, right? And I'm on minus $57.58, right? And this is how the account is looking. This is it. This is every other thing. So let's go to the trading overview. Now, this is my trading overview. The equity is $9,942.42, and my average winning trade was 100, and I think that's the first winning trade on the account, $112. Average losing trade is 51. That's 0.5% of the 10K account. I've taken only 4 trades on the account. Let's look at my lot size. I've used total lot size of 2.3 on this account, and my average risk to reward ratio is 1:2, and my win rate is 25%. Take note of this 25%. Loss rate is 75%. Okay, now this is where I need to focus on this place. I need to focus on these lines first. I need to focus on this win rate. Now look at the win rate, look at the risk to reward. This is where I need to focus on. There are 2 places I need to focus on. I need to improve these 2 places this week, and these are only 4 trades that I've been able to take. This is the first loss, this is the first win, and this is the second loss, and this is the third loss on the account, right? This is everything on the account. Let's go to my week 1 trade recap. So this is the week 1, and this is the trade recap. I've been able to discover that my win rate was 25%. So this 25% win rate is very poor. With a risk to reward of 1:2, out of 100, you minus 75. You get 25% win rate. So 25% win rate times 2.5. That means I'll still be in a loss, which is not really good. You understand? So this win rate is very poor for 1:2. I need to increase my win rate and also increase my risk to reward. That is one thing I've seen. Then my risk management for the week was okay because I followed my risk management plan. That was really, really okay for me because I was never greedy. Like, greed is not one of my problem. Now, every trader that comes into the market have 2 problems. Either you're greedy or you have fear in you. So when I started trading forex, there was no greed. I'm not a greedy person, but there was fear, which is what I've worked on, and I'm still working on it. Then favorite section, my favorite section that gave me the highest profit was London section. That was where I got that trade. Then New York section is one section I also need to work on. I like New York section. Then the favorite pairs I traded or I need to trade, I had my eyes on were GbpUsd, GbpJpy, and UsdChf. More of my focus was on these 2, right? But now I need to focus more on this, and I don't even know if I'll take out GbpJpy and focus on GbpUsd and UsdChf at the same time. Now, the style of trading I was taking was day trading. Okay, I was day trading, but the entry model was a day trading setups. I was taking day trading entry setups, which is something we are going to come to soon. We're going to come to this soon. Then the week, this week too, like I said before, I showed you on the account, I lost $50, made $112, then lost $51 again, lost $51 again, leaving me with profits of minus $40. Then all of those commissions and every other thing made the account to $57. So what I learned for the week, last week, the last trading week, what I learned was exercising more patience to let your trade play out. On the first winning trade, I was supposed to get at least $200 on it, but I couldn't let the trade play out completely. Once I see 1 to 2, I closed. But now I need to work on it. I need to exercise more patience this coming week. Then next thing I saw was I rushed into trades prematurely, which was on the first trade, this first loss here on the GbpJpy. I would have let the market form and mature before entry. What I learned again was, don't chase trades. Once you missed the trade, let it go and look for another entry. That is exactly what I learned again. I won't chase trades. Once I come and I miss the entry, I'll let it go. Then number 4th thing is, don't go against the trend. This one pained me. I went against the trend here on GbpJpy. It was buying. I went and started looking for sell, and the sell wasn't even a scalping sell, it was a day trading sell. The market moved in profit, then went against me. So I need to work on that too as well. I will never go against the trend. Now, I have told myself that I'm not going to swing trade. I'm not a swing trader. I will never swing trade again, because that was where I got this loss on GbpUsd. This $51 loss on GbpUsd. I was swinging the trade. The trade stopped me out without even hitting my SL. I don't know what happened. But if you know what happened, you can use this comment section and let me know. Then what I did right on this winning trade, I did one thing right. I waited for break of structure in the direction I wanted to trade in on the M5 time frame, and it was so beautiful. I just took that trade, very beautiful. Then things I need to work on for this coming week, I need to deliberately work on these things. Number 1 thing I need to work on is I need to increase my win rate to at least 30% to 40% win rate. Then my risk to reward, I need to increase my risk to reward to at least not just 1:2, I need to increase to 1:3. If I can just make it 1:3, then I think that I'm going to be successful. Like, I'm going to have a successful week ahead. So my main focus is to increase my win rate and increase my risk to reward. Then number 3 thing I need to work on is I need to change my entry model to scalping entry models, because from what I've back tested, I thought that my scalping entry models are more powerful. Like, I have more win rates, I have more risk to reward. So I'll need to focus on just scalping entry models. Then what I need to work on again is work on being more disciplined. I need to be more disciplined to follow my rules. Then patience, exercise more patience, and be more focused and calm. Whether profit or loss, be more calm. Then what I noticed about me last week was I'm more comfortable with holding trades for a shorter period of time, as long as it goes in my favor. So I'll just focus on holding trades for a shorter period of time, 1 hour, 2 hours. I'm fine with it. So far it's on my direction, I'll be good with it. Then I'll focus on the trend. Then these are the things I need to work on this week. Most especially, I need to work on my win rate and increase my risk to reward. That is going to be very, very good. My last week trade management was bad. So my trade management was bad. I also need to work on my trade management. So I'll work on my trade management next week. So that's pretty much what I need to work on for the next week. So this is the week 1 trade recap, and next week we'll start again. But now let me go and start back testing and start working on myself for the week to come. If you're tuning in for the first time, smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Peace out.